Namaste, viewers. It's Monday morning, March 3, 2025, and I'm your host, Sunil Thakker of Sunny Talks Money. Welcome to ST Money's 7 a.m. early morning news, where we provide you the latest, concise, and precise stock market wrap with accurate figures and numbers. Sensex and Nifty tumbled almost 2% on February 28, caught in a wave of broad based selling as fears of a full scale global trade war and concerns over a slowing US economy rattled investors. Equity benchmark indices witnessed heavy selling pressure on Friday amid weak global cues after US President Donald Trump vowed to impose tariffs on Canada, Mexico as planned from March 4 onwards. Additionally, Trump threatened China with 10% more tariffs. It was a one way street for the Bombay Stock Exchange Sensex after it opened with a negative gap of 400 odd points. The BSE benchmark index tumbled to end with a loss of 1,414 points or 1.9% at 73,198. In the process, the BSE Sensex ended the week with a loss of 2,113 points or 2.8% and was down 4,303 points or 5.6% for the month of February 2025. The Sensex has now shed nearly 15% from its all-time high of 85,978. Meanwhile, its counterpart, the NSE Nifty 50 and index crashed to sign off the day with a loss of 1.9% or 420 points at 22,125. The Nifty 50 index shed 5.9% in February and has cracked nearly 16% from its lifetime high of 26,277. The Nifty would enter a buy market territory if it were to slid up to 20% from its peak. The market lost rupees 8.8 lakh crores in total market capitalization. So far in February, FIIs have offloaded Indian equities worth rupees 47,349 crores, while domestic institutional investors have stepped in with net purchases of 52,544 crore rupees. Among Nifty 50's biggest losers were M&M, Bharti Airtel, Wipro, Tech Mahindra, and IndusInd Bank. Meanwhile, Hindalco, Trent, HDFC Bank, and Coal India emerged as the session's top gainers. Sectoral carnage was most pronounced in IT stocks, followed by banking stocks. Nifty Auto, Nifty FMCG, Nifty BSU Bank, Nifty Healthcare, and Oil and Gas and Media also tumbled. Among individual stocks, Premier Energy slumped nearly 6% as its 6-month shareholding lock-in period expired. Shares of IREDA saw an even steeper decline, dropping more than 7% as the stock debuted in the futures and options segment as the start of the March series. The sharp drop follows a strong run with gains in 4 of the last 5 trading sessions. In the US on Friday, US stocks rallied in late-day boost even as plans to sign a minerals deal between the US and Ukraine were scrapped as Donald Trump's meeting with Vladimir Zelenskyy devolved into a fiery exchange. The S&P 500 rose 1.6% on Friday, trimming its February losses. The Dow Jones Industrial Average rose 1.4% or 601 points after losing as much as 139 points earlier in the session. The tech-heavy Nasdaq climbed 1.6%. Brent crude is $72.81 a barrel. Gold is rupees 84,460 per 10 grams, and silver is rupees 94,270 per kilogram. Now for today's outlook for the Indian market. As long as the Nifty remains below 22,500, bearish momentum is likely to persist, with 22,000 acting as immediate support, followed by 21,850, where the 100 weekly simple moving average, that is 100 WSMA, is placed. So take care. Stocks to watch today: Tata Motors, Paytm, TVS Motor, NLC India, Piramal Enterprises, International Gemological Institute, M&M, Foseco India, Rana Sugars, Maruti Suzuki India, Hyundai Motor India, Eicher Motors, Escorts, Kubota, SML, Isuzu, Atul Auto, VST Tillers, Dr. Agarwal's Healthcare, Bajaj Auto, Indian Overseas Bank, Voltas, Mankind Pharma, Ujjivan Small Finance Bank, Dalmia Bharat, and Tata Communications will be in focus on March 3. That's it for today, my dear viewers. And if you're enjoying our content, please do subscribe, share, and like this video. Please share it as much as possible. I will see you tomorrow morning. In the meantime, happy investing, stay inspired, and remember what is it? It's all about money.